glowing skin, it's easier than you think. You might feel overwhelmed by all the products and routines out there. Many people think achieving glowing skin is difficult. They see all the skincare routines and feel like they need to be an expert. They worry about getting it perfect. But don't be scared. The truth is, consistency makes perfect. Skincare is fun and easy. It's all about experimenting and finding what works for you. With a few simple lifestyle changes, anyone can achieve glowing skin. Start with basic habits and build your routine over time. You don't need to be a professional. Everyday items can be just as effective as high-end products. Just relax and enjoy the process. Take your time and have fun with it. Remember, skincare is about taking care of yourself. It's a form of self-love and care. Have fun and try new things. Don't be afraid to experiment with different products and routines. You are beautiful, with or without makeup. Embrace your natural beauty and use skincare to enhance it, not hide it. Want to brighten your eyes? Make them look bigger. Eye makeup can do that. Even a little bit of color can make a big difference. Eye makeup highlights your eyes. It makes them stand out. You can create so many different looks, from natural to dramatic. You don't need a lot of products. Just a few basics to get started. Here's what you need. Eyeshadow. Choose neutral colors, like brown and beige. Eyeliner, black or brown, is perfect for beginners. Mascara makes your lashes longer and thicker. Brushes. A small brush for eyeshadow and an angled brush for eyeliner. Section 4. Easy Eye looks for every day. In this section, we'll guide you through creating a beautiful, effortless eye look that you can wear every day, whether you're heading to work, running errands, or meeting friends. Let's start with a simple everyday look that enhances your natural beauty without taking too much time. First, apply a light beige eyeshadow all over your eyelid. This will create a smooth, even base and brighten up your eyes. Next, draw a thin line along your upper lash line with eyeliner. This step defines your eyes and makes your lashes appear fuller. Then, apply 1 or 2 coats of mascara to your top and bottom lashes. This will open up your eyes and give them a more awake and polished look. That's it. Easy, right? With just a few simple steps, you can achieve a fresh and natural eye look, perfect for any occasion. Section 5. Huda's secret weapon, the spoon trick. This is a game changer for anyone who struggles with getting that perfect winged eyeliner look. Want the perfect winged eyeliner? This is my secret. Use a spoon. Yes, you heard that right. A simple kitchen spoon can be your best friend when it comes to makeup. Hold the handle of a spoon against the outer corner of your eye, angled towards your temple. This will help you create a sharp, clean line that is perfectly angled. Use the straight edge of the spoon as a guide to draw the wing of your eyeliner. This ensures that your wing is straight and precise, eliminating any guesswork. Then, flip the spoon over and use the curved edge to create a smooth, curved line along your lash line. This helps in achieving that flawless, professional look. Practice makes perfect with this trick. The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll become with using the spoon. And soon, you'll be able to do it in no time. You'll be amazed at how easy it is. This trick not only saves time, but also ensures that your eyeliner is on point every single time. So, grab a spoon and give it a try. You won't be disappointed.